Hey guys, Paula again with the Inner Circle Academy. So, I am working on some credit with some clients, and so wanted to do a little training and research myself. And so, I'm sure we all know credit is kind of one of the most important numbers in our life. We can't buy a house, we can't buy a car, we can't do any of those fun things without a good credit score. So, sometimes even affects where we can work. So, um, we all know that there's a lot to credit, a lot on the back end on what's required and how you adjust it, how you improve it, things like that. So decided I'd take a short little training course on credit and how to quickly improve it, but also how to utilize all the different perks and tricks that we get, such as getting free flights, getting hotels, opening up business credit lines to fund our businesses as we grow, things like that. So I'd highly recommend the course. I think it's totally worth taking. It's a game changer. So we all know that we need the credit to do and further our businesses and further our life. So take the time, sit down, take a little course. Check out their website. It's tailopez.com/credit /business coach. There's a link below. Check it out. Hope you enjoy it.